their way on back. Blue Alliance side, Team Cross, the last robot from that Blue Alliance to join them in. That Blue Alliance doing a gorgeous autonomous, where two Alliance members making their way into the neutral zone, the third one waiting and then following in, making a loop. One going under the trench, one going over the bump. Does look like Team Cross getting up on that level 1 tower as well. We'll have to see if the Quals considered it up where it feels was underneath them. Blue Alliance already 177 points during that autonomous and transition period. Red Alliance now with that first active hub shift. Chaos and their partners, Code Orange, tossing loads and loads of fuel up into that Red Alliance hub, already catching back up to what Blue was able to make. They are going to have to do everything they can, though, to build the lead, but Blue Alliance hub is now active, and Orange Dynamite was not waiting. We are Orange versus Orange on this field. Both teams now over 200 points, but Blue Alliance not going to hesitate and get a 300 mark on that board. They are just a few, looks like 20 away from that bonus ranking point. Red Alliance, though, go back to the Red Alliance. They're going to continue to try and score on this field, grabbing field from the depot along that back wall. It does look like, unfortunately, for this Red Alliance, Iron Corsairs stopped solid signal light near that Red Alliance trench. Blue Alliance hub now active as we get underneath a minute, and Orange Dynamite is up forward on their robot and into that hub. Five for this Alliance now. And there it goes. Blue Alliance breaking 500 points forward to make that second bonus ranking point, but that still means now 30 seconds remain. Code Orange launching a lot of fuel towards their goal. Unfortunately, though, most of it just shy of